Dear students, welcome to my class. So today I am going to start a new chapter from the comprehension portion, and the name of the chapter is Bihu. So let's read the story first. Take out page number 96, you will get it there. So first of all, let us know what is Bihu. It is the most popular festival in Assam. So what is Bihu? Bihu is the most popular festival in Assam and is celebrated to honor the significance of agriculture. It is celebrated to respect the significance means importance, to honor the significance of agriculture. Agriculture means cultivation of plants and other domesticated animals. The people celebrate three types of Bihu every year. One is Bohag Bihu, next is Kati Bihu, and the next is Mag Bihu. There are three types of Bihu which people celebrate every year, which are celebrated in three different months. One is Bohag Bihu, next is Kati Bihu, and the other is Mag Bihu. So first let us know about Bohag Bihu. Bohag Bihu is celebrated in the month of Bohag. Bohag means in the middle of April and marks the beginning of the shearing time. During this time, the sheaves are sown. It is celebrated over several days. This Bihu is celebrated over many days. Traditional folk songs and dances are the main attraction of this festival. Traditional folk dances, songs and dances. Folk songs means the songs which are sung by, which are continuously sung by the older generations and are still continuing. So these songs and dances, and these are originated by some community, by group of people, and which are going on generation to generation. And these songs are the main attraction of this festival. During this festival, these traditional songs and dances are held. Now next is Kati Bihu. Kati Bihu is celebrated in the middle of October when people perform silent prayers by lighting earthen lamps in fields. It is the time when farmers are hoping for a good produce. So Kati Bihu, this Bihu is celebrated in the middle of October, and during this festival, people perform silent prayer by lighting earthen lamps, means lamps made of mud or clay, and they light it in fields, in agricultural fields. It is a time when farmers are hoping for a good produce. During this time, they pray for the seeds that they have sown in Bohag in the middle of April. They have sown seeds in the middle of April, and that time the Bihu that is celebrated, the name of that Bihu is Bohag Bihu. And in the middle of October, they celebrate again for the seeds that they have sown to grow fruitfully. It is a time when farmers hoping for a good produce. They are praying so that the seeds that they have sown, they should grow very fruitfully. Next is Mag Bihu. The Mag Bihu indicates the end of the harvesting period. Means the period when the agriculture gets ripened and is the time to harvest, means to cut the crops. It is celebrated in the middle of January. It is a festival of feasting. Feasting means it is a festival to eat and drink. Women prepare traditional sweets which are shared with friends, neighbors and relatives. So women, they prepare some traditional sweets and which are shared with friends, neighbors and relatives. People enjoy singing and dancing throughout the night and light bonfires. So during this Mag Bihu, which is celebrated in the middle of January, during this period, People enjoy singing, they sing, they dance throughout the night, and they light fires, bonfires. Bihu festival is celebrated by everyone in Assam, irrespective of caste or creed. Means irrespective of any caste or creed. Creed means some religious belief. Irrespective of whatever religious belief they have, irrespective of this one, every one of them, every people of Assam celebrate Bihu festival. The festival promotes a spirit of love and brotherhood among the people. This festival promotes a spirit of love and brotherhood. Brotherhood means friendship among the people. So, we have learned from this is that all of us know that it is the most popular festival of Assam and it is celebrated for agriculture. So, there are three types of Bihu which is celebrated every year until the agriculture gets harvested. First, it is the Bohag Bihu, where seeds are grown, where seeds are sown in the fields, and it is sown in the middle of April. Then, in the middle of October, they pray so that the seeds that they have sown, the agriculture, they are hoping for a good production. Therefore, the seeds that they have grown, they are hoping, they are praying that the crops are grown very well. And in the Magh Bihu, they celebrate because it is the end of the harvesting period. Harvest means to cut. And during this period, they celebrate it in the middle of January. And during this period, the women prepare various sweets and they share it with among people such as friends, neighbors and relatives. They also enjoy and dance throughout the night and they light fires, bonfires. And Bihu festival is celebrated by everyone in Assam, irrespective of whatever caste they have or whatever creed they have. And this festival promotes a spirit of love and friendship among the people. So, today I have explained this one. In my next class, I shall give the answers. Page number 97. I shall solve everything and give it to you in my next video. So, thank you.